that's my channel, by the way. So, we're gonna be teaching you how to make a squishy blind bag with the squishy inside. Yep. And I'm doing my myself. So what's my scissors? So you need what's my scissors? So you need paper. This is my scissors. And then you need tape. And you also need scissors. And then you need coloring utensils like markers or color pencils. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you it. To pause it. Here's one. There's another one. Sorry, that was my mate. So first, we need to take one paper and fold it in half. I'm only doing a little one. I don't want to just like how you like that. So I am making a mini one. So it is gonna be mine is gonna be small. Here. So just like that, you can fold. I'm making a mini one, so that's why. And then you need to grab tape. Tape time is my favorite time to show all my friends. And tomorrow we'll be taping again. Sorry, that's just a teapot song from my teapot set when I was a child. When I wasn't doing a video. Need a long one. That is for sure long, isn't it? That's too long. No, you can never have too long. And this is gonna be. You know, we only have a little bit left. Yes. And you can cut, right? Yes. You're so dumb. So I'm done with putting it down. It's like my sister always say I'm dumb. Yeah, because you can cut tape, but instead of cutting, she just throw it. See? Dumb, right? No, that's not dumb. I'm pretty sure all people in the world do that. No, if their tape is crumbled. It was not crumbled. Yes, it was. I crumbled it my own. That's why you weirdo. I'm not a weirdo. I'm your sister. Oh, you're so weird. Sisters always stick together even though when they fall in love. Like with my boyfriend. Ow! Stop having a boyfriend. I do not have one. Then why is saying you have? No, it's a TikTok. And why did you even slap me? You slapped me too. I slap you slowly. See, my face is red now. You were flash before this video. No, I didn't. Fine. Sorry. My collector's guide is as big as this thing. Sorry about that. It's